Hello guys, how you guys doing? This is just gonna be a quick video dito sa nabasa ko tungkol kay Anne Abrahano. So let me read this. JTU speculating that Sento loves attention because of his tough upbringing, na lumaki si Sento sa isang broken family, kaya gusto niya sa spotlight. It's actually an armchair diagnosis. So, dito sa first line na to, okay, that is wrong. Okay? That is wrong. This is not the same as Doc Adam sinasabihan na may narcissistic personality disorder si Makagago. They are not equal. Okay? So, ito, JTU speculating that Sento loves attention. Okay? So, sabi ni Journey to Understanding na Sento loves attention because of his broken family. That is not armchair diagnosis. No, it's not. It's it's like calling somebody stupid or crazy. That's not an armchair diagnosis. An armchair diagnosis is katulad ng ginawa ni Doc Adam kay Makagago na sinasabihan na dinadiagnose ni Doc Adam na may narcissistic personality disorder si Makagago. Gusto niya sa spotlight is not a disorder. It's not a mental illness. Katulad ng pag sinasabi mo na isang tao, you're crazy. You're stupid. That's not a mental illness. Okay? So that is not armchair diagnosis. Armchair diagnosis ay pag tinatawag mo ang isang tao na katulad ng ginawa ni Doc Adam na narcissistic personality disorder si Makagago ng walang test. Okay? Just by watching him. Okay? Or if you're calling somebody na bipolar disorder. If you call somebody like that, yes, and you are not a psychologist, you didn't go to school for that, you're not an expert, yes, that's and wala kang test, that's armchair diagnosis. Okay? So, itong first na to, yung sinasabi ni Journey to Understanding kay Sento, that's not armchair diagnosis. That is not equal kay Doc Adam. Okay? So, that's just my take on it. So, yun lang naman. Matutulog na dapat ako. I just saw this and check this out. I do not agree with this. So, you all have a good day and peace out.